The Mystery Burger. One Thursday afternoon, Turkey
Hello.
and Turtle
Hello.
went to church. The church had a pearl and a big purple mirror. Turkey and Turtle heard a doctor and a sailor
Ha!
in the church. The sailor looked bad. They learned many words at church. And they had homework. Time to learn was over. So the church hurled burgers to eat. The burgers were tasty. But Turkey and Turtle felt a burn in their mouths. "Why on earth do our mouths burn?" they said. "It tastes like fur. Yuck!" Turkey and Turtle ran to the doctor for help. The doctor searched the burgers and saw a white thing. "Is that a pearl?" asked Turkey. "No, it's a worm," said the doctor. "Yuck!" Who put a worm in Turkey and Turtle's burger? Who made their mouths burn? Turkey and Turtle saw a person in the mirror running away. The bad sailor.